See, this is I show my home directory. It is /home/Divya. This is my home directory. Anytime you can stop me and clarify. No problem. I'm not seeing the chat window. Oh, now I can see. Okay, fine. See, so what I will do, I have shared the document just to show. I have given new name. This is the standard Linux command. This time I want to know what is the operating system installed or deployed. This they were shown, and also you better know host name of your system. Okay. Well, with this we are moving on to the JIT. I have a path. I know we make sure whether JIT is installed. Okay. No, sometime it will be the bundled with the Linux. That's why I'm asking here in my machine, because we are using for a project already JIT version 3.34.1 is installed. And in case if it is not there, I have given a command. What you have to do, m-y install JIT. That's it. It will get. I can't execute m because I don't have public access permission in this machine. Okay. Now, because it is, I want to know the path where it is installed. Nothing to do with that. But as a practice, I just would like to see where it is installed. It is installed in user bin JIT, automatically installed. It's not deployed by me. Anybody can try parallelly. Are you trying, or will finish up?
Yes, ma'am. I think all of us have one machine Linux.
Okay, good, fine. Well, I'm keeping I share the document. No, I'm following in the same order. Okay, I'm not deviating. What I want you to do is, see now what I do. Just I want to see ls minus LART. I'll create a directory now. Just for the now sake. Okay, I will give Divya hyphen DAC. Today, I made a directory Divya hyphen DAC. This is for our demo today. And I'm going to. So now I'll execute again. See, now I have created a directory Divya hyphen DAC mainly to carry this lab session. You also, I expect you also follow same way. Okay, create a directory, then go ahead. Clear? Then comes now what I will do. Now I will see. You can see nothing. Nothing is created here, right? No folders, no files, nothing, no directories, nothing is there. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
No, what we should do is now. We have to copy the first before initializing. Don't initialize before only. This is very flexible. It works. Then it will mess up our path. So that's why what we should do is, I don't know. All things should start with JIT only here. Config. What we should do? Minus. These are all syntax. These are not English. It's a syntax. Okay. Global space user name. Username. I have to check. This I have to give it a double. See, until now it is syntax. What are we doing is, I came to a path and I'm creating the JIT environment because already in another path it is there. So I want to create separately. Now I don't want to give Divya, already I've given many times. Okay. I just give some name sample. Okay. You give your name. Don't give anything else. Please give mine already I've tried a couple of times every year. So JIT config --global space user.name. I'm giving my name to the globally because if I'm pushing something to the GitHub finally, then this matters a lot. But the local repository also matters, but it's okay. Shouldn't matter. So my name is given and also it expects us to do the username also. Sorry, email also. Again, I'll be giving some false email ID, Divya sample at that. It doesn't validate, no. So I'll give anything it takes. So it is given. Now I'll give JIT. So whatever I installed, I'm checking here, sometimes spelling mistake or something, can overwrite, nothing big thing in this. The name is sample, my name is sample, and my email ID is divyasample@cdac.in. And color I have given, so it is taken. Sometimes the auto color doesn't come. Now that next step, color highlighting, I will not execute. You can do because already I've done for yesterday I've done, so it is appearing. So that is about this thing. Now I have to again I have to show ls minus LART. Here you can't see any of the folder because I have not yet initialized the JIT. Okay, I cannot execute the JIT. It is installed in the system server or whatever, but it is not exported to this particular folder. Okay, see PWD. This is my working directory. It's not initialized here. Now I am initializing JIT. It is taken. You can see here here initialize empty JIT repository in Divya home/DVM. This is the directory I created. It is created. Now I have to see. See now you can see .JIT file. So that means nothing. Our environment is ready. We can go ahead with our version control software uploading and downloading and parallelly working. Those two features we have to see. Meanwhile, having studied enough about the JIT, I will go to .JIT. Okay. See, this is the path. Well, this is what we read in the theory. I expect you all to understand more about these folders and essence of it, keeping the PPT or Google, whatever is okay for you. And nothing to do here. It is only the environment. It has all. We understood what is these, what made the essence of these 4 files and folders, etc. That's nothing to do with them because our aim is not working on JIT. We have to use it. Use the JIT. Every time, make sure where are you. Okay. So again, I'll come back to Divya and JIT, and here it is. Environment is ready because JIT is there already. If you want to check the configuration, JIT config --list, it will give your name, your email ID, etc. Shall I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, fine. Now what I do, now, okay, this is only equal. Now what is that? Now I'll create some 3-4 files, because that's what is, no, our aim is not creating the file. I told, no, how to upload the file to the repository, then how parallelly people can work on the particular file and push it to the main directory. This is the main directory. Okay. How do we know whether what are we? See, it is the git status. If you give, it will give no branch is created, but you are a master. This workspace is called master. Once you create git init, .git will be created, and this area, this particular area we call master. Okay. Now I just create some 4 files just like that. I just it can be any, normally you all use C language, Java or Python script, PDF file, anything it can be. Nothing like that. What is the format? There's no bar on the format. Okay. So I create Debian 1.c. I just create, I don't know, our aim is not the file, I just want to create some file. I created one folder. Well, now I'll be creating one more. So we just created 2 folders for our learning sake. Project means, huge files will be there, various things, right? Now we are creating the 2 folders. One, anytime you create, instead of before trying anything, I created the file, and you can check now git status. It shows here, earlier it showed here, you can see here. It was, now it is detected. It is no branch, but you're at master. And there are 2 files created. You have to add and commit. Means now it's ready for, you have to push into the repositories. So then only you can simultaneous access or a branching is possible. Working on. So if it is a real example, these 2 folders, if you're really having a source code or a proper code and multiple people are using, once it is fully done, you are saving the version. That is the essence of it. Well, with that, now what we should do is git add. I can give individual files, or I can give dot. Dot means all the files which is not yet added to the local repository will be added. If you want to do one at a time, well, that is also possible. I added. Now I'll show again git status. It is telling here, you can see you have added one file. This is not yet added, but both are not committed. Okay, that's a process. After adding, you have to know commit set. That's why. So what are we doing right now? One we added. Now I do the git add. What I do right now? Normally we do like it's one time nothing. Okay, now all this. Now again we have to. So how do we cross check now? What command I should give now? To know. So it is showing both the files are correct, Anshul. Both the files are added. Now next to it is commit. It still is not ready for modification or a simultaneous usage. Okay. Now we have to commit. Removing also possible. I share the command git rm, whichever file you don't know, you can remove. Always when you can add it, we should be in a position to remove also, right? So now this is a little bit important. What I do, commit -m. This is the template. This is the template. Okay. Here in a single quotes or a double quotes, I can give the file name or I can give all. Both are possible. See now file 1 I can add. See, assume, let us assume div1 is login service code. I'm just telling it's not login service code, it's for our identification. Okay. Then I can give div1.c. Okay. Or you can give minus all also. No need to add any comments, then you can just see. Or sometimes what we do in the project, we don't give like this. That is also possible. Or I can give, that time it is double quotes. Minus until here it is a template. I'll give, I won't give all. What I do. This is, I told, no, Lotus, always I tell, whole Lotus project divided into 4 modules or 4 groups, isn't it? 4 groups, each one is headed by one project leader and a couple of people are working in a group. So in that is the case, assume let us we all belongs to one group. I mean, I just write, this is module A of we engineers now. There should not be any shortcut in comments. When we write, we should write neatly, detailedly, properly, where it can be referred later. Okay. So now I'll give git status again. Now it is telling, it's a master is the branch, I mean master, nothing to commit, working trees clean means nothing. Whatever you have added, whatever you wanted to upload, you have added and committed. What is CMD command? I'm doing command line only, no? So, Mish? Okay. In the Windows command format, I have.
No, we can do this in Bitbash on Windows.
Okay. Could be. I'm not. You are talking about this
Windows
terminal of our Windows terminal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If possible, you do. Okay. Preferably this one Linux platform. If you can do that, do it. I have not done, but if there is a Linux partition in your machine, please do that. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, we have VirtualBox and in Ubuntu in it.
Ubuntu is perfect. Same command. So,
but it is in a VirtualBox, ma'am. So we are going to use that only.
No problem. How does it matter? VirtualBox is the backend, no? Front end is Ubuntu, right?
Yeah, ma'am. But system is Ubuntu in, ma'am. That but we are going to use a specific memory for that. We are not handling in it our PC memory.
No, see, PWD command works there.
Ma'am, CMD also available on Windows. You can
we can do in Windows also with Git official application of Git.
No, somebody said they have a virtual box. It's fine. Virtual box is only partition to run Ubuntu on Windows. You use virtual box, but on this we are working on Ubuntu. Okay, not on virtual box, so you can work.
Yes, sir. Ma'am, I tried. It worked. Yeah.
No, work didn't work. It should work.
It works in virtual box and
in this. Now what? So that's what we do. What I'm trying to tell is now we'll see one log. Okay, in case. So log also showing. See, you can see log. What you should see whenever you open a log, you have to see this portion. Head is there and only master. Right now, it's not detected any branches because they're not created also. In fact. Now this is what we did. We created. We are uploaded to the local repositories. Fine. Now we'll create a branch. That's what. Then what I do, I'll create one branch. Git branch until here it is a template, right? Okay. Now I can give the branch name. I will give branch name something like test or pen something. So okay, Lotus project. No, I'll give Lotus one branch. No, to identify the branch, I'll give branch or part, whatever it is. Part -Lotus I'll give. Or we told it is a law module A, something like that, isn't it? So we are creating the branch. That's the only thing I'm trying to tell. So we are creating a one branch. It's a part. Part A, part B, we may do it. No? So part and login service. No, not complicated. A1. I have one branch that is part A1. I created a branch. I want to see what other branches are. Yes.
Ma'am, how you do with that partition in Linux, ma'am, in Windows?
No, I will create this.
Partition. How we can do with that partition in Linux?
Lab, etc. Till now.
Ma'am, we do it in Ubuntu.
Fedora, RHEL, CentOS, all are Linux. No, nobody told you. Okay, now I created a branch called part A1. It is showing, yes, master is anyway was there, master platform, it is repository. Part A is the branch created by us. Also, there is another command to see how many branches are created, that is git show branch that I will not execute, you can try. Now, this is you have created a branch. Let us go to that branch part A1. Okay, here when you see git status, you can see you are on master. Nothing to commit working. So that here you can see on master branch. So now what I do, always git checkout command I explain. Git checkout, where I should go to that branch which I created just now. I have created a part -A1. This is the branch I have created, and I'm going to the branch. Switch it to branch part, a message came. However, in the process of working, if you don't know where are you, if PWD, you can see still it is showing my home directory. Okay.
Ma'am, it means we are just now shifted to the our branch part A1.
Exactly. We are we should be very attentive. See, physically I am at Divya as a home, Divya-DAC directory. Virtually, I am at branch now. Virtually.
Okay. So we were previously in master branch.
Exactly. That's a platform. Like it's master is master. It's not a branch. Yeah. With respect to directory, it is a branch.
Okay.
See on branch part 1 here you can get. See earlier. If you want, I can make a bigger font. Anybody wants? See here you can see earlier when we get git status, it was like this, right? Now I give a git status. So we are on branch part 1. Okay. Here now I can copy that folder or I'll create a new folder now. Fine. I just create. I'm in the branch only, no part A. I just put file 1. Dot C. I'm writing a C code, let us assume. Part -A1 minus. So it should be more system rather than not know where did I create, what happened. Okay. I'm nothing. I am creating a C program. Okay. Now I'm saving this. I just created a folder in the branch. After that,
And we created just file. Huh?
Which one?
File.
Yeah. I created a file under a branch. Okay. What I do next, after creating that, I will add it as usual. Git add. See, I'm just adding and commit as usual. See why I'm commit. Or I can write. I could have shown little. You people keep seeing always. That's a put there. And I can also we can see git log means only this many details we get. If we give the -- git log graph, this is the template itself, and you find more details about it. Okay, see, this I done in the morning, so it is showing. You can show. See here, all we have to see is here this portion just now. I have created a file and this is the content. Normally your sample C code will be C or Java code will be there. So this is what is, this is the old one I tried earlier and all. So this is about the status in the log file. I'll come out of the log file. Escape, Q and exclamatory sign, you will come out of it. Standard